Hey guys, welcome back. In my last video I did something different with my nails and I wanted to kind of like explain what I was doing. I have been totally mesmerized by the Apres Gel-X system. I've been binge watching YouTube videos about that method like for a while. But this is just my DIY version of it, and I did it with my Light Elegance product, which was not a success, but that was because I was having an allergic reaction. My cuticles are still a little bit busted about that, so don't mind that. But I think I'm a huge fan of this method. Basically, it's just a full cover nail tip, which of course you can make as long as you want. And you, instead of applying it with glue, you apply it with a gel. And it's supposed to make the nails last a lot longer. And you can just, the nails are just ready to go. You can just apply your gel polish or whatever, even just normal nail polish on them, and you're done. So there's no building of the nail with like tips or, well, besides these tips, like dual forms or whatever. So I was just, I'm intrigued. So I did these nails using that method, so they're not that thick. They don't have a high apex or anything, but they are pretty short. So they should be fine. And I was just going for like a purple because it is October, and of course a little Jack. Who doesn't like Jack? So yeah, I'm just gonna show you how I apply this without like editing the video for too much. So you want to size out your nails. I have already done that. Weird thing, they are different sizes on my other hand, which is normally not the case, but you know. So this is smooth, and gel doesn't stick to shiny smooth surfaces, so we have to buff this. If you don't have an e-file, you can actually use a like cuticle tool stone to kind of like edge it up a little. But I do have an e-file, so that's going to save me some time doing it with an e-file. And I have already applied the base gel on my nails. This is a, somehow, I don't know why, but this doesn't even have a dispersion there at all. So I do have to go over it with small coal before I apply these nails. But let me just quickly prepare these nails off camera. And basically I'm just going to etch them with my e-file, which has this tip to it, and let me check back in with you guys. Okay, so I'm just cleaning them, getting rid of all the dust, and I'm cleaning them with alcohol just to get rid of any like oils that may be on there. Okay, so I clean my nails. I just have the base, a layer of the base coat on them, and this is the same stuff I'm actually going to apply these nails with. So now this would not work with a nail tip that isn't clear. So because you have to, it's kind of like a dual system form. You really have to hold the nails down while curing, which is a pain in the butt with a UV light. So I have this like portable like LED light, as you can see, that is what I'm using, and this is curable in an LED light, so I had to make sure of that. So yeah, and this is, by the way, my dominant hand, so I'm showing you how I do this with my non-dominant hand, and hopefully it will look kind of okay. So let's just start off with the easy one, the pinky, and let's just get some more of this, move some stuff out of the way, get some more of this base coat, base gel, basically, and let's just cover it all. Okay guys, here we go. Okay, my pinky is a weird kind of shape. I don't think there's enough gel on there. Let's just add a drop. There's like a giant like C curve on there. Okay, it's kind of stuck like this. Was I in frame? Of course I wasn't. Let's see if it's kind of straight. I don't even have to hold this one. Usually I do have to hold them. So basically I just flash cure them with this light. This doesn't have a, I mean it warms up a bit, but it doesn't really have a heat spike, so that is amazing. Okay. That's one. Next. Oh, there's way too much on here. Can kind of hold it like this. I'm shaking a little, but you know. Okay. Okay, I'm going to show you one more time and do the other two off camera. It's so weird, these really don't feel like press-on nails, which I guess is all because of the gel. I have to make sure there's no air pockets. Okay, here we go. And when I'm done flash curing these, I'm just gonna put them in my lamp for a minute. Just make sure they are really, really cured. That's kind of what we got going on here. Looks pretty solid. Okay, let me just finish these two and be right back. Okay guys, I cured everything in my combination light for a minute, and as you can see, the nail tips look pretty short, but they're quite long. So I am gonna like square them up a little, as you can see, shorten them and make them more square. Of course you can choose whatever shape you want. And I'm gonna go around the cuticle with my bit just to smooth it out, to get rid of any gel that might have slipped through, but I think I'm pretty good. And then the only thing I'm gonna do to prepare the nails for the polish is just wipe them with some acetone. It will make them matte instead of shiny, and it's kind of the same effect as like buffing them, just less trouble. So yeah, I will prepare all my nails and I'll check back in with you guys. Okay guys, these nails are shaped, so you can see they're still way too shiny, so I'm gonna get some pure acetone, not a whole lot, and just wipe them. Like that. They still look pretty shiny. It's not how they feel. So now I'm ready for polish. So I'm just gonna do the exact same thing on the other hand and polish them up and give them a nice top coat. But I just wanted to show you this method of doing gel nails. Doesn't really feel like gel nails, but once you build them up a little, they do actually feel like gel nails. These do not feel like press-ons at all. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, thank you guys for being here, and I will see you all very soon. Bye!